Let's do this. What's up, guys? I'm buying $30,000 of Bitcoin. Let's see why. To the moon!
You could just verify the transaction using those keys, right? And you couldn't do it. So is it?
To the moon, baby! To the moon!
Yes. Some people will believe, some people won't. And to tell you the truth, I don't really care.
Woo!
But you were dreadful Bitcoin. I don't know anything about it.
Woo!
Guys, and they look at what we
Listen
just
to this.
did, and they're like,
Listen to
"Oh, what
this.
happens when they dump it? Like they bought all this Bitcoin, that's bearish. They might sell it, and that'll be bad for the market. Or when is he going to sell it? If it goes down by 5%, is he going to like lose interest? And I think they don't get it.
Michael
I
said
bought it for the next 100 years.
Woo! Let's go!
It's a daily podcast on macro, Bitcoin.
Woo! So guys, I'm gonna leave the link in the bio. My fellow YouTubers, this is 𝐉𝐨𝐬𝐧 breakdown podcast. Very, very good content. And this is Barely Sociable. He made 3-part video on discovering who is Satoshi Nakamoto. So, well, I'm buying $30,000 of Bitcoin, guys. I'm buying literally 30K of Bitcoin. You're going to see the proof. It's coming real quick. Maybe it's already in. No, not right now. But I'm going to put basically $30,000 of Bitcoin because we told our VIP Forex Signal subscribers basically 2-3 weeks ago what we were thinking about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and where the price was going. So this is my Bitcoin price prediction as well. So I'm seeing my investment 10xing basically in the next 18 to 24 months, right? So right now I'm gonna buy at around $19,000 US. And I'm seeing Bitcoin going from 150,000 to 250,000 somewhere in 2022. I see basically we'll start from the beginning. So 2-3 weeks ago, we told our VIP Forex Signals member when Bitcoin was around $12,000, $13,000 that we were seeing a lot of volatility on Bitcoin for 2 particular reasons. And we were thinking that it was the time that Bitcoin was going to blow up with obviously November, December, the election, like it happened as well. The big boom in 2017 was when, look at the chart, it was October, November, December, right? So exactly at the same time. So we told our VIP Forex Signals member that we think that what's going to happen is Bitcoin is going to go hit all-time high, right? Or pretty close. Bitcoin has pretty much hit all-time high, guys, if you're not sure, because the all-time high was on certain exchange, 20,000 something, but really that's because of the spread. The real price, I don't think, never went really more further than 19,500, 19,200, something like that, whatever. So there's no one really that was able to really sell it at the top or, yeah, sell it at 20,000, right? They all sold it maybe at 19,000, whatever. So 2-3 days ago, the price went just a little bit, it like 19,000, whatever, right? If you look at some exchange. But if you look probably at other exchange in Korea, in Asia, in other third world country, the price probably went at 20,000 at nearly all-time high with the spread. So we can consider that the price have hit all-time high. And we told our member that there's two things that can happen when it's going to hit all-time high. Now, obviously, we're not genius. We don't have a crystal ball, but most likely what would happen, well, it's pretty much 50-50. We don't know, but there's two things. One, pretty simple, like Bitcoin would go at all-time high and just blow up, right? Right now, we might see that happen still, right? Second prediction that I made personally, I literally said Bitcoin is going to hit all-time high, guys, but don't get it twisted. Like, you need, if you want to take out your position at all-time high, like, you need to have everything like on sell limit automated, because what's going to happen is you're not going to be able to reach that price with the spread and everything. And when it's going to hit that in less than 24 hours, the price is going to go back from 20K, 19.5K to 17 and a half. That's exactly what I said, guy. Exactly what I said. Now, if we pull out the BTC chart, right? I'm going to pull out the BTC chart and we're going to look in the past 1 week. We had Bitcoin going to 19,000 over here, right? And guys, by the way, when you're dealing with support and resistance, it's not a precise price. So 18,900, it's pretty much all-time high. It's a zone. It's not a precise price, right? So literally, this is what this is. A day and a half later, exactly like I said, price went back real quick at 18K. I think it went a little bit more down than that. So 17 point something K. Exactly like I said. Now, my prediction that I would have put probably 55-60% probability of doing that, but staying at 17.5, 17. And then there was two income from that. The price would have stalled for 2-3 weeks until we get in December. And the price would have stalled and just keep going down, like slowly to like 16K, 15K. And somewhere in December, boom, from 15K, it's going to blow again. Now, I don't think that's going to happen. So there's two scenarios right now. It's either like that is going to happen, but I'm seeing the chance less and less right now. And the other scenario is just, it's not going down anymore, right? Pretty simple. It's just going up from here. Now, don't get it twisted as well. Bitcoin always have some 90% retracement or something. So everybody is expecting that, yes, my price prediction for 2021, I'm saying Bitcoin is going to triple. So basically, I literally said Bitcoin is going to go to like 50,000, 60,000 US dollar somewhere at the end of 2021. So I'm investing in Bitcoin at, I'm fine with 18,500, 19,000, even 20,000 because I'm waiting on a deal, probably going to get the money tomorrow. If I wake up tomorrow, it's at 20,000, 21,000. I'm still going to buy $30,000 of Bitcoin, right? Because I'm expecting the price to go in 2022 between 150,000 to 250,000. So that is a 10x. And if we get a retracement at 15,000, well, guess what? That is a 15x instead of 10x. So I'll take the 15x too. I don't mind the discount, right? So this is my plan. When we're going to get to 100,000, guys, it's probably going to drop back at 30,000. So you can either like take a portion, right? or just hodl everything and say, no, I'm going for the long run. Because yes, it's most likely going to go to 100,000, and when it's going to hit 100,000, because it's a round number, because it's 5x what is the peak right now, the all-time high. I'm pretty sure that my prediction is it's going to do exactly like I just said, with the 20K back to 17K. So it's going to hit 100,000, and literally, it's going to go back to 85,000 in 1 or 2 days. Literally. And then it probably going to start dropping all the way to 70,000 in a few weeks. And then there's two possibilities again. We might either blow up. So that is why from 70K blow up to the 150K, 250K that I said, the next high in 2022. So that's why you might not want to sell at 100K. But this is the best situation. The situation, again, that I think there's more chance that's going to happen, that is going to hit 100,000, is going to go back to 85,000 in 1 or 2 days, and then it's going to go down to 70,000, and then people are going to start panicking, selling their position, selling off. Big institutions that I've bought are going to start selling off a little bit as well. We're going to see the price go down to 50,000. It's going to be a 50% retracement. Then all the media are going to start spreading some FUD. They're going to say, you see, we told you Bitcoin is a scam, blah, 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 blah. Bitcoin is going to go down to maybe $30,000, from 100,000 to 30,000. And it might go in a bearish move for 1 year, 2 years. Like we did in 2018, 2019, and half of 2020 was 2 years and a half, right? So if my prediction is right, we got 1 year and a half to 2 years of bullish, right? 2021, 2022. And then somewhere at the end of 2022, we're starting to go in a bullish mode all the way to the next halving, right? Because there's a halving every 4 years. And this is where we go back in the bullish trend, right? And the next halving is in 2024. So we're probably going to be in the bearish 2023, start of 2024 for, again, 18 months, 24 months, 2 years and a half, right? And then after that, I don't even want to say no price prediction, because after that, this is when Bitcoin is going to 1 million. But is it going to be in 2025? Is it going to be in 2026? Or is it going to be in 2029? That's going to be somewhere around there. I'm guessing Bitcoin is going to hit 1 million between 2025 to 2035, somewhere around there. So that's pretty much it for why I'm buying Bitcoin. This is the part one. Make sure to turn on your post notification. Drop a like, because I already registered part two. In part two, I'm going to talk about the second reason of why I'm buying Bitcoin. That's just the investment part, not just I'm making money part. The why we need Bitcoin for the world, why I hate the banks, and why we need to make sure that the bank don't control us anymore, and that everybody got. Anyway, let's blow this to the moon. Drop a like, subscribe, and yeah. Drop a comment like to the moon, XRP, or whatever Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP you're holding, and how much. Like, let us know in the comment, like, what is your portfolio? My portfolio, I want to do like 80% Bitcoin, 15% Ripple, and 85% Bitcoin, 10% Ripple, and 5% ETH, something like that. Maybe 15% Ripple, 80% Bitcoin. Take care. Much love, guys.